Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export transactions to a CSV file here in Spendee. Alright, but do take note that this option or feature is not available for computer users or via the web version, okay? The only option is to do it via phone. So go ahead and open up your Spendee app, and once you're in here, just go to the bottom right, tap on more right here. Once it loads, go ahead and just scroll down and find advanced, okay? Tap on it, and in here we now have the export option. Just go ahead and tap on export, select the wallet, okay? Or if you want to, you can leave it to all wallets. If not, you can untick the wallet that you don't need, okay? And once that's done, go ahead and select the period. It could be all year or all history, last 90 days, last year, as I've said earlier, okay? If you want to create a custom period, just make sure that you have the premium version, okay? So once that's selected, go ahead and select the format right here and make sure that the CSV is selected. And after that, what you're going to do next is just tap on export data. And it says here, your export is on its way. Within a few minutes, the export should arrive to your email address. So just tap on continue. And once done, go ahead and check your email and you should receive the same exact email. Okay, now what you're going to do next is just scroll all the way down and you will receive a downloadable CSV file per wallet. Okay, so what you're going to do is just tap on download right here, download, and it will be saved in your phone storage. Okay, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.